Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we sometimes uncover exciting new deals and sometimes, well, let's just say less exciting but still important stuff. Today we're diving into an announcement from Transocean Ltd. It might not be a huge financial report with tons of numbers, but it tells us a story about a significant contract and what that means for the company. It is a classic case of growth and future potential. And speaking of growth, if you want to decode more corporate announcements like this, make sure you are subscribed. Also, we have a fantastic Discord community where we discuss these filings further, so check the link in the description below. So, what is the big news here? Transocean has landed a pretty substantial contract for one of its ultra-deepwater drillships, the Deepwater Skyros. This isn't just a small gig, it is a 6-well campaign in Australia. Think of it like a long-term job for a very specialized and expensive piece of machinery. This campaign is expected to last about 320 days, which is a little under a year, and it's slated to kick off in the first quarter of 2027. That means they've secured work for this ship well into the future, which is always a good sign for companies in this industry. Now, what is this worth? Transocean is expecting this contract to bring in around $130 million. That is not just money they've already made, but money that has been promised, which they call backlog. This is a really important number because it gives investors a clearer picture of future revenue. It is like having a confirmed list of all your upcoming appointments before they happen. Now, this $130 million doesn't even include the cost of moving the ship to and from Australia, which can be significant. But wait, there is more. This deal also comes with options, meaning the client can choose to extend the contract. If all these options are used, the Deepwater Skyros could be working in Australia all the way into early 2030. That is a hugely positive indicator for the company, showing a strong demand for their services and stability in future earnings. Now, this filing is what is called a Form 8. Think of it as a sex way of saying, hey, something new and important happened, you need to tell investors right away. It is not a detailed financial report like a quarterly or annual filing, but it does require the company to disclose significant events. In this case, the significant event is this new contract. Transocean stock trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol RIG. This is basically how people buy and sell ownership in the company. A new long-term contract like this often makes investors feel more confident about the company's future, which can positively impact its stock price. And just like in any official document, we see the signatures. This confirms that the information is officially submitted. Deborah Kupferman is listed as an authorized person, signing off on this report, indicating that internal processes have been followed. So what is the big picture here? Transocean is securing long-term deals for its high value assets. This means they're positioning themselves for stable revenue and growth in the coming years. The fact that they have a major contract lined up that could extend for years is a strong signal of demand in the ultra-deepwater drilling sector. Now, looking at this from a broader perspective, Transocean is in the business of providing very specialized offshore drilling services. Contracts like this for advanced drill ships are crucial. It indicates that despite the cyclical nature of the oil and gas industry, there is still a strong need for their cutting-edge technology and expertise, especially in exploration and production in challenging offshore environments like Australia. This isn't just about winning a job, it is about locking in revenue and proving their capability to major energy companies. One thing to keep in mind is that while this is great news, the oil and gas sector can be volatile. Global energy prices, geopolitical events, and the shift towards renewables can all impact demand for offshore drilling. However, for now, this contract provides a significant cushion of stability and revenue visibility. It reduces some of the immediate financial uncertainty for the company and its investors. In conclusion, Transocean Ltd has successfully secured a significant and long-term contract for its Deepwater Skyros drillship in Australia. This deal is expected to generate substantial backlog revenue and potentially keep the vessel employed for several years. This demonstrates the company's continued strength in winning major offshore drilling contracts and provides a positive outlook for its future financial performance. While the broader energy market has its ups and downs, securing such a substantial and lengthy contract is a clear win and a testament to Transocean's operational capabilities and market demand for its services. Alright, that's our look at Transocean's latest announcement. What do you think about this new contract and what it means for the company's future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more in-depth company analyses. And don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description, to keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Decode.